Element to talk. Wounded civilian stable and prep for evac.
Talk to entry team. Make them stable and proceed with mission.
Hands up above your head! Drop it now! Drop the weapon and put your hands... Police, get down on the ground! Hands up! Down on your knees! Police, drop the weapon! Entry team to talk. Suspect is down, requesting Thames.
Entry team, this is Talk. Notifying morgue.
Down on your knees! Hands up! Drop to your knees! Put the weapon down!
Damn.
Drop your weapons!
I ain't doing shit.
Freeze! Drop the weapon now!
Hey, man. You know what that
Police, you're under arrest! Get down now!
I'm gonna listen to you.
Put your hands up!
I ain't doing shit. Yo, stay here.
Get on the fucking ground! Do police! Hands up now! Get down on the floor right now! Get down on your knees, hands up! Hands on your head, now!
Taking me, bro.
Down to the ground, now!
Please, you have to listen to me.
Turn around, keep your hands up. Do not move.
I was raised in jail, man. I got dogs
Leave
in
the
me.
talk. One suspect in custody, compliant.
Talk reporting. Excellent work. Don't stop now. Civilians have been taken hostage.
Hey, fuck you!
I can't. There's nothing on me.
I'll do anything you want.
We're not here for you.
Please don't shoot. You've got the wrong person.
Talk. We have a civilian in our custody.
Lead, this is Talk.
Element to
Trailer's on
talk.
the way.
Suspect killed.
This is Talk. Continue with your mission.
Do you know what the hell you're doing?
Entry team to talk. One civilian detained.
Talk to high ground. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Get down and keep your hands up!
Maybe you should go after the guys robbing
Lead the
place.
talk. Civilian restrained and ready for transport.
Talk to lead. Roger, trailers inbound.
Ahead of me. What do we do?
Collecting. Talk. We lost a civilian. Repeat, civilian killed.
Element, this is Talk. Thames notified.
This is protocol.
Are those handcuffs?
Element to talk. Civilian cuffed and prepped for evac.
Talk to entry team. Trailers notified.
Entry team to talk. We have a civilian down.
Entry team, this is Talk. Notifying Thames.
LSPD, don't move! Hands up, above your head! Put your hands up!
It's not me you want.
Let me see those hands!
I'll tell you everything.
Stay down and turn around.
You have to call the paramedic.
I have to cuff you for our safety.
What are you doing?
Lead to talk. Civilian in custody and secured.
High ground, this is Talk. Trailer standing by.
Talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
High ground, this is Talk. Copy.
You have what you wanted. You have the money. Please go. Are you gonna let me go?
Yo, man, I didn't mean it.
Hands up now! Drop to your knees! Police, get down!
You got me.
Turn around slowly. Stay where you are.
Fuck the police. You niggas ain't shit.
Element to talk. We have a suspect in our custody.
Talk to high ground. Trailer's ready.